European?
Sorry.
European?
I wish.
No? That sounds like a European accent.
Oh, yeah.
Where are you from?
We personally
Ah,
How about you?
you look so different. German?
Oh, you're German?
Yeah, but I've lived here, the U.S. Yeah.
I think the German is nice.
The people there are, they're very hardworking, but some of them are sociopaths.
Oh, yeah?
They're very logical. They don't care about emotions. They just do whatever it takes. They got some crazy people, yeah. The women there especially.
When I went to Germany, I went to Frankfurt.
Your friend just left.
Yeah, because she has a...
Tinder date?
Yeah. Her feet is hurting, so she wants to change her shoes.
How long are you guys here?
I'll be here until like the 3rd. But I was even talking to them about it a few minutes ago. I might go back earlier.
Why? You're not gonna be here for New Year's?
It's just so bad around here. I don't know. I don't,
What is
I don't know
bad?
if there's a party happening or what are you doing for New Year's Eve?
New Year's is gonna be packed.
Oh, you
The
think
hotels have been sold out for weeks. Yeah, the hotels have been sold out for a long time. So I have an apartment here, and I have a house in New Orleans, but I'm gonna be here. Yeah, so I just travel back and forth. Yeah, maybe we should hang out. You're here for a few days.
Yeah, well, yeah, get my number.
Yeah.
You text me.
Well, you seem so European, which is funny to me.
It's my clothes. I live in New York.
You live in New York? Ah, yeah. That makes sense. Which part of Brazil?
I'm from Rio.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Are you just all best friends? Is this like Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants kind of situation?
I know.
Or the Sex and the City squad? If you're from New York, that's more fitting, huh?
740.
Thank you. Yeah, you have a very elegant look. I mean, Avery.
Avery?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I like everything but the part I can't see. I have no idea that's a mystery.
You can take your...
That's not so bad. Okay. No, wait.
Okay.
I'm supposed to walk away. Wait, disgusting. Actually, you look a little bit, bottom half of your face kind of reminds me of Penelope Cruz a little bit.
Okay.
If you know her, she's an actress. I have some disfigurements, some scars.
Okay.
Yeah. I try to hide them.
You look good though.
Thank you. But yeah, it was great to meet you.
Okay,
And I'll text you.
Yeah,
Yeah. Good luck with your friend and her shoes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I'll go